Hello viewers, in this video we are going to show you how to remove this back button from the screen. So here you can check the back button that is present in the second screen. So now we will remove this back button. So there are two different ways to remove this back button. So first way is to write the property inside the app bar, that is the second screen, and here I can write the property of the app bar widget, that is the automatically imply leading, that is the false. This will remove the back button from the screen. So I will refresh the package, and then I again click on this plus button, and here you can see there is no back button. So this is the first way to remove the back button. So there is another way to remove the back button. So here I push the screen on clicking the floating action button. So instead of pushing the screen, so I will write the push replace instead of writing the push screen. If we want to write the push replacement, this will also remove the back button, but this is not the solution, but this is another way to remove the back button. So I will again refresh the screen, and again I will click on the plus button. So here you can see there is no back button present on the second screen. So there are the two different ways to remove this back button. So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button of this video and subscribe this channel.